Hi lovelies, just a quick one today. We're going to do some pop art nails. So we're starting off with just like how you would do just a normal pop art nail that you see everywhere, here, there and everywhere, all over Instagram. I'm starting with Hero Turquoise, doing a couple of coats of that, and these are the sort of different colours we're going to be using. Like, need to mix sort of a darker colour of the base colour you've just used. So mix in a bit of black with your base colour, and we're going to do the shading. So you want the shading on the corners like so. And then the outline, you can do this before the outline or you can do it after. I actually did it both ways in this video, but I think I preferred it doing it before I did the black outline. Now we're going in with the black, and you're going to do a line around the whole nail. Doesn't need to be super thick, but it needs to go around the whole of the nail to get the right effect. I hope everyone's doing okay. I know it's been a long time again. I keep saying that, and I keep saying that it won't be a long time till the next video. I don't mean to fib, but just happens. Just happens. So you can see it's all around the nail there. And then we're going in with the white down the opposite side that we did the shading on. Just a long line, going with the shape of the nail that you've got there. And then we're just going to do a little dot at the bottom there, sort of like a light shine marker, I think. Yeah, that's one, yeah. And then a little more black lines. It's just sort of to make it stand out, really. So I'm using base coat because I find that when I do a matte top coat, sometimes the colours will run if I haven't done a base coat prior. So top tip there. So now I've base coated it, going in with the velvet matte top coat, and that is how easy the pop art nail look is. Voila, voila, voila. So you got the shading at the top, the light line down the side, and the little black marks all over. So easy, right? This next one's just like an extra little, because I was planning to release this nearer Valentine's Day, but you know how it goes. Oh, so sorry. But I am actually doing a couple of voiceovers tonight, so I'm going to schedule some more videos. So actually it won't be too long before the next one. Promise. So we're doing a heart at the bottom of this nail here, because it's the perfect sort of shape for that. So we started off with that base coat again. Colour in, fill in your heart, and this is where I do the black line first before I do the darker shading of this colour. But it's really up to you. I think it actually was better doing it the first way. So I'm going in with the outline here. I do take a bit of faffing. Like, it is good to get the heart the right shape that you want it the first time round, so you're not trying to shape it with the black line, but we've got to work with what we got, right? So we're going round the heart. And then we will go in with the, we'll mix a darker shade of that lovely looking red. Just to do the shading. So up at the top of this heart here. And then, see, I think it would have been easier to do it without the black line, but whatever. And we're just going in to the opposite side as well, at the bottom, with that same shading colour. And then we'll go in with the light line. Just like we did before. I mean, I really didn't like this heart in the end, I'm not going to lie. Little light shine mark there. And then I think just little sort of black finishing lines in the base coat and matte top coat there. And away we go. Super easy, super quick. Next up will be, I think it's my mini egg nails. Now I really enjoyed doing those, so I hope this wasn't too rubbish for you. Because I've been meaning to try the pop art look for ages, just never. I do really like the simple pop art look, that turquoise nail. Woof. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to try. And I will happily give it a go for you. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.